Hi, I'm Jeff Gamet. Amazon's Sidewalk platform seems to be the hot news right now. Everyone wants to know what it is and also how do you turn it off? Well, let's start with what it is. Sidewalk is a wireless platform that Amazon developed. It uses Amazon's own Echo devices as bridges to create this mesh network so that internet connected devices that otherwise wouldn't be able to be online can still be online. What exactly does that mean? Well, let's say you have a smart lock on your front door and it uses Bluetooth to unlock or lock the door. You've left home, you forgot to lock your door. So you just simply lock the door even though you aren't in range. And that's because Sidewalk is creating that artificial range, if you will, for you. Another example would be you have a tile tracker on a device or maybe your bag and you've lost your bag. Instead of having to wait and see if someone with the Tile app on their phone ever goes near your bag to trigger a location, it can use all of the bridge devices, all of the echoes that are in an area to help triangulate where your bag is. So which devices will work as a Sidewalk bridge? Well, the third generation and later Echo and Echo Dot will. So that means for the Echo, it has to be from October 2019 or later, or the Echo Dot, September 2018 or later. Also, the Echo Plus, Echo Show, Spot, Studio Input, and Flex are bridge compatible, and the Ring floodlight and the Ring spotlight camera from 2019 on are compatible as well. Since we're talking about what Sidewalk is, we should also talk about what it isn't. Well, first, it is not a way for your neighbors to steal your Wi-Fi. This is essentially a firewalled system so that whatever is happening through the whole Sidewalk platform is segregated and kept away from the rest of your network. This is also not a way for Amazon to create their own wide-ranging internet network. Your neighbors don't get to surf the web through your internet connection. That's not what this is for. Sidewalk limits the bandwidth devices can use through your bridge to 80 kilobits a second and also caps out at 500 megabytes a month. So that really restricts just how much data can be passing through your Echo. Now let's talk a little bit about security concerns. First, this doesn't have widespread testing yet. Now, Amazon has been testing Sidewalk all the way back in 2019. They've been talking about this very openly, very publicly. They've even released a white paper that details the security that they've built into this, as well as how other parts of the platform will work. By the way, I'll have a link to that in the show notes, so if you want to go read that white paper, have at it. The other thing that really concerns me about this is that Amazon could at some point start sharing our personal information from the Sidewalk platform with third-party developers. Once they do that, then that information is kind of out of their control, and I see that as potentially a big privacy risk. Okay, now on the other side of the security, what happens when someone's device actually uses your Echo as a bridge to stay on the internet? Well, you don't know what devices are connecting through your Echoes back to the internet, and your neighbors that are actually connecting through your bridge because maybe their internet connection dropped out, they don't see what Echo devices they have connected to. So there's a level of anonymity there. I think that's a really good thing. Now, this is an opt-out service as opposed to opt-in, which on one hand kind of bugs me because we should have the opportunity to decide if we want to participate in Sidewalk. But at the same time, if they make it opt-in, pretty much no one is going to opt in, and that will really hobble the platform. So I get why they're doing it this way, even if I don't like it that much. So how do you disable Sidewalk? It's a pretty easy process. Launch the Alexa app on your smartphone. Then tap More. Then tap Settings. And then after you tap Settings, tap Account Settings. Okay, now tap Amazon Sidewalk. From here, look for the toggle next to Enable and tap that. That will turn Sidecar off for all of your compatible Echo devices. If you like this video, you can find me on Patreon and buy me a coffee. I'm Jay Gamet both places. Also, give me a like and give me a share. I'm Jeff Gamet. Thanks for watching.